Options Tenors, Wednesday, 4/28/21. Hope everybody had a wonderful night. Go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Tenor logo, and subscribe. And if you have not joined us yet on the free Discord for trade ideas, camaraderie, you have a bunch of questions, you can talk to people live. So go down to the description and hit that link and request to be in our group. It's a fun group. Now, our game plan for this morning. Not much has changed in 3 days. We have gone nowhere, waiting on information from all the big techs. So we're going to run through FANG. We're going to run it through ES on the multiple time frame, and wait for the FOMC today. And there's not going to be a whole lot of trading, not from this end. We got to see what kind of information puts out. Are we gonna take a quick peek down and then head up to our 4230 target, or are we just gonna start moving on to the downside and our move is done? Both are possible. We're set up for both. Okay, so yes, on the monthly we are bullish all the way around. We're gonna run through this quick. Hasn't changed from last night. Weekly, we're still in the inside. We're still in the inside range. We peaked above there. That's important to know that we did touch the all-time highs this week. We're bullish on all the others, but we're getting kind of heated both on the weekly and the monthly. So we're in the long-term plays, we're looking for quite a pullback pretty soon here. We're in an inside day starting off. We had an inside day yesterday. Pause. We're pausing everywhere, waiting for information. We have a little bit of divergence happening here. Again, on the daily, we are in wave 1, 2, 3. We're hoping to see if we can hit this in this wave 3 pretty soon here, down to wave 4. We don't think this move is over, but things could happen to where that changes. We also have Apple tonight, just so you know. Down to the 65-minute chart. This, if you look at these, the point of control, that's also the weekly low, and that's our weekly high from last week. So we had our ABC correction. That happened all in 1 week. We've been in this range since. Do we have a 1, 2, 3 ending diagonal 4, 5? And that's it. And now we need to start correcting. That could be the end of wave 3. For all we know. Let's just find out. That could be it. And I just want to look over NQ. So we have a 5 count in there. Or are we going to come back and no, we'll just have to see. Since we touched all-time highs, this could be a leading diagonal, I guess. And we can come back for wave 2 and start heading to the upside. Just putting out our options here, it's not clear, and that's because it's distorted because we need more information. FOMC and earnings. Still been in this range on NQ. We're trying to break underneath this. We're peaking underneath the channel, but it's almost starting to become invalid now. We had a fake break popped up. Now we're just kind of floating to the side. But we break this range, and we're at the point of control right now. And we could see some downside. That means our move up is temporarily over. But we did not hit all-time highs here, if you've noticed. Moving over. Facebook. Facebook had some news. It's holding up the market right now. Looking good. Almost the expected move. Apple's gone nowhere. It's sideways, waiting for tonight. I don't know if we'll get a move out of it, so we're not playing that. Microsoft took a dip on the earnings. We're back up to the expected move back over. If this is a new wave count, maybe that's just a pullback, and this is a new wave count. Either we can do an ABC, or we'll we're starting a 1 right now, 2, and then this is just a smaller wave, 5 wave up, before moving on up further, because Microsoft they did well. Maybe just needed a pullback. Amazon on their news of stock split, up to the expected move and flagging right now, looking like it wants to go higher. Google also on earnings opposite of Microsoft. And Tesla dipping down a little bit further, a little bit more follow through to the downside. Yes, I do have a position. I did a straddle in Tesla, and I want to get rid of the upper position. So look at that. 10 more, almost 10 more points down. Okay, we're at least looking for the expected move this week to the downside. It may come all the way down, depending on what happens today. If we get some follow through to the downside from the overall market, then Tesla could see this fuchsia line before no time. Okay, all right, thanks for joining us here. Good luck trading today. Hopefully I'll see you in the Discord.